When a NEET aspirant is pushed to the edge, a protest is not always just about an exam. 2 days back at Jantar Mantar, NEET aspirants and parents came together to raise their concerns. And as the situation escalated, reports of injuries emerged on both sides. I'm not here to decide who was right or wrong. But as a counseling psychologist and educator, I want us to look at what happens when years of pressure, uncertainty, and helplessness reach a breaking point. For many students, NEET is not just an examination. It can feel like their entire future depends on one result, one rank, one attempt, and one number. And behind many students, there are parents who have invested years, money, expectations, and emotions into the same dream. So when students feel unheard, when parents feel helpless, when uncertainty continues for too long, frustration can turn into anger. And when thousands of people are experiencing the same fear and frustration together, that emotion can become collective. This does not justify violence, but understanding the psychology behind the anger is very important because when people feel powerless for a long time, they don't always express their pain quietly. Sometimes they protest, sometimes they shout, sometimes emotions escalate. And this is why mental health cannot be separated from the conversation around competitive exams. We often ask students to be resilient, and we also need systems where students and parents do not feel that they have to fight to simply be heard. Because behind every rank is a student, but behind every student is often a family carrying years of hope, pressure, and fear. The question is not just who was right, the question is also what happens when people feel unheard for too long. I'm Dr. Vandita Singh, counseling psychologist, image consultant, trainer based in Mumbai.